So we just showed you the Great Lawn downtown already being covered with snow. The roadways, Ben's got a nice panoramic view of that. So problems in the morning. We know a lot of the school systems moved to NTI. JCPS was supposed to go back on Wednesday, but not tomorrow.
Yeah, good call. Obviously, it's going to be very slick out there. Snow-covered roads already happening as the snow is just starting to move in. That snow sticking immediately on contact with how cold it is out there. We have single-digit wind chills. Upper right, that's the Kennedy Bridge, I-65. Starting to see just a little bit of accumulation. The snow is heavier south of Louisville right now. You can see those bigger flakes, I-65 around Elizabethtown, the Bluegrass Parkway in the upper left-hand corner. Bottom left, there you can see the traffic starting to slow down a little bit. I-65 by Lebanon Junction, starting to see that snow cover up the interstate there. And then I-65 by the Western Kentucky Parkway, also Elizabethtown in the bottom right-hand corner. So starting to see those impacts from that snow moving into our area. Winter alerts continue. Winter weather advisory, Clark County in Indiana up to Scott County, east and west as well, 1 to 3 inches there. And then Metro Louisville South around 3 to 6 inches is going to be possible. If you get some bands that just kind of sit over one area and put down some heavier snowfall rates, there could be some isolated areas that overachieve and pick up even a little bit more than that. We are seeing the banding of snow. You can see the enhancement here around Hardinsburg into Meade County. That darker blue color indicates the heavier snowfall rates and some just more efficient accumulation. But basically right around Interstate 64 and south is where we have the accumulating snow right now. To the north, it's much lighter or no snow whatsoever. It's just very light snow over Louisville right now, a little bit steadier for areas off to the south. And there you can see those darker blue colors. And this is where we're expecting, again, some of the potential of higher amounts of maybe 5 or 6 inches of snow. I've seen reports of about 4, 5, 6 inches in Missouri where the storm system has already moved through. Look at all the winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings cutting through the Appalachians, the Ohio Valley out to the west. And then all this deep blue color, that is an extreme cold warning over the central United States. So winter has a hard, strong grip over much of the United States still. So the snowfall continues as our temperatures drop even a little bit more into the teens. The snowfall ratios go up, so it doesn't take as much water to produce some bigger snowfall totals. So just efficient snow machine here overnight. Again, especially over the southern, say 2/3 of the area, almost little to no snow up around North Vernon and Seymour, Indiana. The snow begins to move east of I-65 around sunrise. We get a break in the snow through the afternoon in frigid temperatures in the lower to mid 20s. And then as we head towards tomorrow night, 9, 10, 11 p.m., another batch of some light snow will move through. That could put down some fresh, slick roads out there, maybe an inch or two out of that tomorrow night. That'll be the last wave of wintry weather. And then we're dealing with, again, just frigid temperatures, extreme cold, single digits and teens Thursday morning, highs in the lower 20s and wind chills in the teens and 20s for our Thursday. So upper teens now are current temps, wind chills in the single digits. Again, that snow will stick right away. Teen temperatures, but again, feeling like the single digits out there. And we will stay below freezing through Saturday morning. So what snow we get out there is going to be lingering for a while. I'm looking at 23 the high Thursday, down to 10 Thursday night, and still below freezing on Friday. Getting above freezing this weekend, but the real melt and thaw is early next week with highs in the 50s.